Alright, well here we are again doing another screencast lesson, and we already completed most of lesson 5. Yesterday our lesson especially highlighted the plight of the Plains Indians after they had been forced to submit to reservation life. Their children were sent to Americanization schools, and just the complete breakdown of their way of life. Today we're going to focus on this last event here called the Wounded Knee Massacre. So this is the part I'd like you to fill in, and we're also going to map it. And I think we'll start with the map. So if you would locate your map in your binders, I'm going to flip there now. And this is your opening the west map, and again it's almost complete. We've added so many things to it, and of course our most recent addition was the Battle of Little Bighorn. We did lesson 4, and our topic today is, of course, Wounded Knee Massacre. And so if you would please add that here in South Dakota, the Wounded Knee Massacre. And then I'm going to return here to lesson 5, and here's just a brief summary of what happened at Wounded Knee. This was the last armed conflict between the U.S. government and the Indians, and it occurred at this place called Wounded Knee Creek in South Dakota in 1890. Troops opened fire, killing more than 200 Sioux men, women, and children who had gone there to participate in a ghost dance ceremony. Again, you're going to find out more about that in the Ed puzzle today. They were praying for a return to life before the whites came, but the soldiers thought they were preparing for war, and they kind of had the sense that the Indians were going crazy, that they were becoming hostile. It was panicking local settlers around that area, and it just had U.S. soldiers just really concerned about what was going to happen next, and unfortunately it resulted in a horrible and tragic massacre. And so that completes our lesson. You are going to return here to this lesson after you've completed the Ed puzzle, and at that time you'll be flipping over to the back to complete. There's a back side here to the lesson, but you won't be doing that until after you finish the Ed puzzle.